What's good, everybody? And that there was a sliding double roundhouse kick. Also one of my favorite kicks in Taekwondo. So this is a combination of what we did before, the sliding roundhouse kick, with another kick that we did before, the double roundhouse kick. The only difference is we're just adding it together. So same thing. We're going to break this down for you. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to slide forward and switch our feet just like that. We're going to switch our feet. And one more time, switch, kick. But just like the double roundhouse kick, we're going to hold our foot right here and switch at the same time. So in real speed, this is what it's going to look like. We're going to bounce and slide and double. So this is a kick that's very, very useful. Why? Because in close range, it can be really fast. But in long range, I can also chase someone down. So this is one of my favorite kicks, the sliding double roundhouse kick. If you like the video, like and subscribe.